Hello, today I'm going to show you how easy it is, how quickly you can add a customer into your VIPRE security. Get logged in as an admin, takes us right to our customer list. We just hit create customer. We're going to select our region, add in our customer name, and any appropriate information you need. We want to select what packages we're going to be on. I'm going to add this customer into TEP so they've got all of the bells and whistles. We need to put in appropriate name, address, city, obviously dummy information. It'll ask us who the primary administrator, contact, technical contact is. Those will be checked by default. Going to ask for the domain. How we want to verify users via LDAP or user list. This will do a sync. This is for using a sync or manual. SMTP Discoveries is going to create users for you on the fly based off of good inbound and outbound mail flow. I do not recommend leaving SMTP Discovery enabled indefinitely. Once your account is created and the customer is up and running, you can come back in and switch this option under the domain settings to switch it to user list once their users are populated. Otherwise, it can keep discovering users well past the date that it should. We add our mail server destination. I'm just going to put a dummy one in here. If we're going to be using the outbound smart hosting, we would add that relay here. We want to set up as secondary mailboxes, not aliases. This will be the standard mail flow that you're used to and that all your users are used to in the US. We want to create our default administration. This is the user level admin. If the user isn't going to be doing any administration, you can just create a placeholder or a dummy admin. That's usually all I ever do, is just create a dummy admin. The system will generate a password for us if you don't want to create one. Give them the read accesses and different permissions you want, and then click Create Customer. It's going to start creating that customer profile, showing you all the steps, and then give you a summary of what it's done. You can then hit Complete, and your customer is ready to go. You can then log into the customer account and start running through the policies and service setups, configuring their IES, going through the whole process to get the customer up and running. It is worth mentioning, customers that were added here will inherit your branding, and they'll inherit your default policies and settings and things like that that you configure at the top level partner. Well, that was a quick video for today about adding a customer. If you ever have questions, problems, just reach out to us. I'm more than happy to help you out.